Alright guys, we're live here at normacnoatrading.com. Good to have you guys on, good to have you guys in. Let me set up everything real quick per usual. Hopefully you guys had a great trading day. It was definitely another hot day, I feel like I've been saying it, but it's every day it's a new hot day. It's been, every day there's an opportunity, and see here. Let me see if I can find this quick. Every day there's an opportunity, and it really it's like, I don't know. This is a great market, and I don't know if it's because I'm getting better at trading, or the market is just red hot at this point. In my opinion, I think it's a little bit of both. I'm getting better at trading, as well as the market's just getting hot, and it's been hot, and it just continues to be hot. There's multiple opportunities every day, just like today. BOXL even. Look at BOXL going after hours. So I took a loss on that one today. So, I mean, it's definitely a hotter market, no doubt. See if I got that right. And 33.4. No question, is it a hotter market for sure? But I think I'm also just getting better at trading. What's going on? Alec, Shef, good job, Alex. Green Day, love to see it. Western, Modern, Endangerment, Lahia Bay. What's going on, guys? So yeah. Let's see here. Let me set everything up quick. Got that going. Serious Profit, what's up, man? Alright, so let's go ahead and get started today. Let me just set everything up on social media quick, and then I'll get everybody in here. I do have to make it kind of quick today because I have to head out. Okay. Alright. I'm live going over today's 36 4K day. Started. Okay. Put that there. Alright, guys. So I'm going to post this quick, and then we'll be ready to go. Those of you guys on Instagram Live, you can come over to the YouTube channel if you want. That's up to you. Gene. What's going on, Sobless Notes, Laritz, Ethan? What's going on, guys? Alright, got everybody on there. Let me post on my social media now. Just give me a sec here, guys. Again, hopefully you guys had a great trading day. It's just like back in the day, it used to be like, I used to shoot for $5,000 every day, and now it's like, we're getting to the point where we can say we're casually, just on a normal trading day, making $25,000 a day. So, honestly, it's been great in these past couple months. Let me get everything set up. We're almost done here. GENE. WKEY. Today we're up $36,400, or just over $400 on the day. Coming off of yesterday's just over $20,000 day. What else was some runners today, guys? What else? Let's think. Marine Blast. Jimmy Neutron, Marine Blast. What the hell? Come on, think. PHUN. Wow, okay, JRJC, there we go. And then I need one more. IBIO. Okay, cool. So we got everybody on YouTube now. Posted that on Twitter and on social media. Hell yeah. Why is that not plugged? Saved then plugged in. Okay. Alright, guys. Let's give it like 1 more minute to get everybody on, get everybody in. Ow, foot cramp. And then we'll go ahead and go over today's trading day. So, yeah, I know. I don't know what it is. Eventually, someday, I'll figure out my webcam to where it doesn't freeze. I'm sorry that it does freeze. But you guys still get my screen share, and you still get my pretty face for at least 2 minutes, so you're welcome. But I can't, I don't know. My webcam just doesn't want to work for longer than like 3 minutes most of the time. Every now and again, you guys get lucky. But, no, I mean, I hold a little Bitcoin, not a lot. I'm looking to go long on some Bitcoin, though. Just because, you know, I don't want to miss out on anything. If I look back 20 years from now and Bitcoin's at 100,000 or 200,000 or I don't even know what, I want to be a part of it no matter what. And if it goes to 5,000 or 2,000 or 1,000 or whatever, maybe to 0, that's fine. I just don't want to. I'd regret it more if I missed out on it than anything else. AZN's on the scans. What the heck's going on with AZN? Look at GEN. Man, they get good earnings. Oh, they were the one. Oxford. Yes. Okay. Those were the ones that had the COVID vaccine, or the good news on that one. Yeah, of course, I have a longer term portfolio. Hell yeah. But I'm mainly just day trading. You know, my longer term portfolio, I'm only a fifth in. So, really, I mean, I still have 4/5 left on the table in cash right now, just waiting for opportunities. And as this virus starts to progress and you know, I think I get more comfortable, I'll probably start to get into some more travel stocks or size up more anyways. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over today's trading day. Serious Profit, I figured you had both YouTube and Instagram. I was wondering how you always message on both. Alright guys, so you guys can see, you know, right out of the gates, GNUS and GEN. Man, I can't believe I was in GEN that early. Went to over $10. I was in at 319, and then I started scaling at 331 and 330 for a nice little scalp. GEN, again, I'm long at 322, 310, 309. I think I had about a 312 average, and I was selling out on GEN at 360, 358, and 360. So about a 313 average, selling out about a 357 average. And then, so at that point, I remember I was up already about like 15,000, I think. And then UONE was a big winner for me. I got long UONE 10,000 shares at 1465, 37.15. And I started selling out at 1664, 1665, 1657, 1645, 1707, 1737. And then I got myself in a little trouble. Okay, this is when I start to buy the dips, and then I keep adding the dips, and not taking any profit off the table. You know, where you could get yourself in trouble is, you know, I take the dips, and then if it keeps going down, I keep adding, right? And so that's exactly what I did on the second dip. And I know I didn't even mention this at all in chat, but I figured this was just a short squeeze. It came up and it came right back down. But I was long right here on that candlestick at 1465. Okay, I was 10,000 shares of that 16,000 share candlestick. Then I started scaling. Now, I started adding in the 1640s, and then I added some more in the 1560s, and then I added some more in the 1550s. And then, literally, I went to the bathroom, came back, and I caught it, like, right here. Now, I was already up another 15,000 when my average was like 1560, I think, or no, it was like 1590s or 80s, and I was up about 40-50 cents a share again on even bigger size than this position here. I think I had like 13,000 shares. Could have taken it off, didn't, got stuck, came back from the bathroom, and then basically just watched this one come all the way back down. Good thing I stopped out. And then at that point, I was up $32,000 on the day. And when I realized when I get up in profits, when I'm up especially in the beginning, when I'm in the money, and it feels like I can't stop losing in the morning time, and now I'm at 32,000 and I'm only an hour and a half into the markets, I think I'm invincible. And then I overtrade, right? And that's exactly what you're going to see me do here throughout the middle of the day. MBRX, I take a nice winner on this one. Again, in about a 114 average, out 126 average, 125 average. Then I do the same thing. I start taking the dips, and then I'm adding all the way down. Literally, all the way down. Terrible. I ended up with like a $250,000 position on this one. That was so bad. So bad for me to do that. Okay? But when I did that, I tried to get myself out of it. And I got myself out of it a little bit. Took a little off at 118 and 117 and 116. But you guys are going to see the bulk of my position, 54,000 shares, I took off at 109. And at that point, I made a stupid trade there and basically gave back a lot of my profits. Or it was actually about half my profits just on that trade alone. And that's what happens. You know, I was taking win after win after win, and then one trade, you can wipe it all out. JCP&Q, small loss. BOXL, I started getting long at 250s, and I stopped out literally pretty much rock bottom. You're going to see here. It's embarrassing to look at. But I'm being real with you guys. BOXL, 220 stop out, okay? From about a 240 average with big size. I had, I think it was 61,000 shares, okay? About $150,000 to $170,000 position on that one. And now BOXL is up to 285. If I'm still holding that, I'm up, you know, I don't know, 30, 40,000 on it. But that's trading. IBIO, so at that point, I was all the way back from being up just over $32,000 to being all the way down, only up $1,000 or $2,000. And then I fought myself all the way back on IBIO, guys. IBIO, long 18,000 long 36,000 shares at 277 average, out 291, 292, 293, 295. I relonged at 295 and 299, and I got back out at 307 and 313. Took another long on IBIO here at 330 average, and I was out 357, 365, nailing the IBIO stock. I'll show you. I'll show you exactly what I was doing. Man, so basically, I got my first longs was right in here on that candlestick. Basically, forming what I go over on the video series guide is a pennant formation. I knew the 340 was the breakout level of the, I think it was 52-week highs. I knew this was a coronavirus stock. I knew the GEN went insane, which you're going to have some sympathy followers. I got long at 277 average and scaled out into this pop right here at 293. Came all the way back down, and then I relonged once this perked back up in here, and then started scaling out there. Relonged some in here, scaled there, and then basically I was done. I think I took one more long here and took some off there, and then I relonged this one right at the close, and I was up another $4,000, $5,000, $6,000. But I told myself, let's hold it and look for new highs. We didn't get that. BOXL ended up being the after hours runner, and I stopped out at 330 average right there, and kind of grinding back up. Wouldn't be surprised if IBIO goes tomorrow. And that's basically it. You know, I took a little trade on SALM. Nice little winner, couple $1,000 winner. XSPA, like $500 winner. NBRV after hours winner. And other than that, guys, that's basically it. Today was definitely a hotter day, nonetheless. Those of you guys who are interested in my video series course, we have a separate room now for my video series guide students, okay? Video series guide students in this room, okay, have basically anyone in this room. Okay, it's a public room, but you're able to be, if you're a video series guide student, okay, you guys are going to be around each other now, okay? The people who are willing to put in the work, willing to put in the time, willing to study, willing to dedicate yourself to trading, I created a separate room for you guys. And I did that because I wanted you guys to be able to have yourself surrounded by like-minded people, okay? So now you guys have your own room, Anybody who's bought in the video series course now has their own room. So you guys are all surrounded by like-minded people who take trading very, very seriously. You can still see it for free, but you can't type. So only video series guide students will be able to type in this room, okay? I believe everybody can see everything, okay? But only video series guide students who have sent Nat a receipt right here, Nat a receipt saying that you purchased the guide, then you have access to the room, okay? Rich MC, yes, you're on TV. Hi, Mom. And once you send that receipt to Nat, she will then give you access to this room. Now, if you don't have the video series guide, then that's fine. You won't have access to the room, okay? You have to buy the course to have access to this room, though, okay? And I did that so you guys were surrounded by like-minded people, and it keeps the clutter out. All of you guys take trading very seriously, and it's going to show up in chat. You're not going to mess around with your typing. You're not going to fool around. You're not going to goof off. You're going to take it very seriously, okay, because you guys are trying to put bread on the table to try and make a living. But the small cash room is still there. Everybody's still in here. No problems. 100% you're in here. And then other than that, guys, that's really all I had is GENE curling. Kinda. IBO. Watch this one. I feel like this is going to go IBIO. Wouldn't be surprised. But other than that, guys, if you could share me on your social media, at StocksToGo is my Twitter. At StocksToGo is my Twitter. Share me on your social media. Say he's doing $1,000 into $5 million challenge. Currently on this challenge, guys, we are getting close to being halfway there. Okay. So currently we are on day 152. Today's profit was $36,442.93. We have now turned $1,000 into $2,357,647.01. And then I kind of go over how the day went. I was up and down all day. So yes. If those of you guys have been watching me from the very beginning, that's awesome. I know that a lot of you guys lose interest because you feel like you can't, now that I have a $325,000 trading account, you can't relate. But at the end of the day, I have started this challenge at $1,000 in Thinkorswim. Once I got to the $1 million mark, they kicked me off their platform, and I switched to E-Trade. So let's see here. See if I can go like this, and then go like that. Go like that. Perfect. Okay, so yeah, you guys can see $325,000 trading account. Every single day I pull profits, so I pulled that $36,440 today. Once we hit 2.4, I'll probably end up raising my buying power to $350,000. I know that I haven't raised my buying power over the past couple $100,000 increments, but I'm starting to feel pretty comfortable with that $325,000 buying power, so I think I'm going to raise it to $350,000. Yeah, I have students who, I need to be able to verify it throughout a way, and I'm working on all that, but I want to be able to create a way to track a lot of my students and see how they're doing in trading. Also, there's someone who says they became a millionaire from me. Can I confirm that with 100% certainty? No. But what I can say is they posted a testimonial about it and their trading account. And, at the end of the day, I'm here to help as much as I can. So, is it 110% facts? No, I'm probably 95% sure. Here it is. Here he is. Million dork. Okay, total account value 1.1635594 million. Okay. Cam, bought your video series guide after losing 900,000. I knew how to buy stocks, but I didn't know how to sell them. I started with 360K and had a great day today. I'm a millionaire again. So honestly, I think a millionaire is someone who has, basically $1 million in net cash or in assets, really. But you have to pay taxes on those gains, so I don't know how that's going to work. Although, since you lost 900,000, I now think that you probably are a millionaire, million dork. Yeah, that's true, Joe. He might have been, but I don't know. I gotta figure out. I'm just one person. I ain't. I have to. I know that there's ways to do it, but that's hopefully It'll be nice to be able to track some of my video series guide students in the video series guide room. Okay. And other than that, guys, Erica Wellness, what's going on? Good to have you on. Hopefully you check out my link. It's a free chat room. Other than that, guys, I have to head out. All right. Cheers, team, and go Hawks.